everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today for you we have an unboxing. Now this unboxing for me is a little bit late. Normally I get this box around the 31st to 1st of the month. It is now the 6th of June and it's just arrived today. Now I did get notification from the company to say that it was going to be late. Pink Parcel are very good at communicating. And basically they're doing a collab this month. So the collaboration meant that they wanted to get the box just right. And as a result, there was going to be a slight delay. So for those of you that don't know, Pink Parcel is a monthly subscription box. You pay around £13 a month if you are a new subscriber. And it arrives at the dates that you so specifically choose. Now, normally you can select a selection of sanitary ware to go in your box. I choose a selection of tampons and sanitary towels. And then you get a little box which also has amazing treats in it. This month's box apparently has a value of £40 and is meant to be really good, so let's just dive in. So here is this month's box that we've all been waiting for so patiently. I nearly sent Pink Parcel a pregnancy test just to see why they were late. I thought they would find it amusing, but I didn't in the end. But yeah, this is the box. It's really incredibly so pretty. As you can see, it's in collaboration this month with Processions, 1918 to 2018. Yeah, let's dive right in and see what's inside the box. So when it arrives, it looks very much like this. You always get a little bag here. This bag has been different colours in the past. I've had pink spotty ones. I also had black ones, and this month we seem to have this like grey etched white oh, and actually still says for now on it, yeah. So yeah, we get a little bag, and this little bag has little plates you can pop in your handbag for your time of the month. You then get a for night box which has night sanitary wear in it, a for later box which has more sanitary wear in it, and then you get the good box, the for you box. I must admit, it feels quite light. This month I also got some little leaflets, one £40 off Hello Fresh and 30% off avocado, and then the Pink Parcel Post. I'm really loving this month's copy. It's super cute. Yeah, loving the graphics inside. I feel like they put a lot of work into this Pink Parcel Post this month. It feels very nice. So it says inside this month's box that they are celebrating women and champion the movements that have made a difference to gender equality. I think that's brilliant. What a wonderful message. It has been 100 years since the first female marked that all-important ballot paper with the suffragettes at the centre of it all. We're showing our gratitude by using their iconic colours, green, white and violet throughout June. But it's not just the power palette we're harnessing. The parcel is worth over £40, featuring products we love from female-founded brands that are here to make you feel empowered. From self-esteem boosting skincare to look at me lip shades. Feel confident and tackle whatever stands in your way, just like our sisters did before us. I love that. I think that's brilliant. I think I think was almost worth it just for that message, because it is really strong and empowering, and yeah, I'm very impressed. Okay, so let's open up the For You box and see what we have this month. Oh, okay. So it does feel quite light, but I'm liking what I'm seeing so far. So the first item that we have is this cute little chocolate bar. Ooh, it's mint flavoured. Love a bit of mint chocolate. It's one of my faves. Yeah, looks nice. Let's see what it says about. So this comes in at £2.95 and you can buy it on their website. I think I've seen this brand before. I am looking forward to trying that actually. Okay, so next we have our tea bag, and it is Tea Pig. And it's Snooze Sleepy Tea. So I think I've tried this one before. So it has got, let's have a look here, apple, lavender and chamomile. And I think these are about £3.99 for 15. So these come in at £3.99 for a pack of 15, and they are just a really nice, natural, relaxing alternative. Okay, so the next thing I've picked up are these. Here we go. So these are some cute little hair bands, and they're bandsies. I am not really a fan of these, but my sister loves them, so she can have these. So it says basically on them, bring all the voters into the world. Equality time is now. Vote for women. 1918 to 2018, and that is like the little little sashes they used to wear. And yeah, then just like a woman's empowerment symbol, and it says deeds not words. Yeah, I think they're really, really cute. These come in at $6.95. Yeah, and I'm just going to give those to my sister because she's got really long hair and she'll really appreciate them. Okay, so the next item is a little bit unusual, and it is a toothpaste. So here it is here. This is Marv's Cinnamon Mint Toothpaste. I've never heard of this before. Oh my gosh. It smells really cinnamony. Apparently it is whitening as well as good for protecting your gums, and comes in at £7 for an 85ml size. So this is just a sample size, but really good kind of travel size for when you're on the go, especially if you go to any nice little barbecues or summer parties and you want to clean your teeth afterwards. Okay, so the next thing I have is a sheet mask, and I love sheet masks. So I have got the rose gold mask made with real gold rose extract, and it's the moisture one, which is exactly what I need for my skin, so very, very happy with that. These come in at $4.99 to $5.99 each, and there are various ones that you can pick up. Okay, and I do have one final product, and for me it is this Girl Power liquid lipstick by the Beauty Crop. So we've had this brand before. There we go. Let's just open this bad girl up, and it is in the shade Pifello. Oh my gosh, that looks really dark. Look at that. I love the packaging though, it's super cute. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I've got to put this on right now. Oh, I love that colour. It's really quite bold, quite daring. It matches my top. Yes, that is on point. I really like that. Really, really nice. I'd be interested to see how well it wears throughout the day. Does transfer slightly, so we'll have to play it by ear. So the lipstick comes in at £11 and can obviously be bought at Pink Parcel's website. I think I am very impressed with that lipstick. It's a good one for me. I'm very happy with it. Now I do have another bit of a sad story to tell. In my little Pink Parcel book it says that there should be an antioxidant lip balm, but I don't have it. It's not here. I've got everything here in front of me. You saw me open it all up. I've got my lipstick, the toothpaste, the chocolate, the tea, the bandsies, and my hair mask, but no Organic Pharmacy antioxidant lip balm, which was meant to be £13. So it's meant to look like that, in case you're wondering, but mine was missing from my box. So I will probably contact Pink Parcel and see what they say. But yeah, that's a shame. So it has made me a little bit sad that I've got an item missing. However, I do know that Pink Parcel have got amazing customer service. I will give them a ring and hopefully they'll get it all sorted for me. But yeah, that was my Pink Parcel for the month. So just to recap what I've got, I had the Rose Gold Korean face mask, the Snooze tea, the bandsies, the very nice lipstick. I'm really happy with that. The chocolate and the toothpaste. So there should be a lip balm as well, but I don't have it, so yeah. Great value for money, very, very happy with it. Really like some of these items. My sister's gonna love the Bansies. Yeah, I'm gonna go and eat my chocolate now, upload this so you guys can see what's in your pink parcel this month. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy these types of videos, and hit that notification bell if you want to see my next unboxing. Yeah, and I'll see you all next time. Take care, guys. Bye.